Let me show you how to make juicy, flavorful air fryer chicken breast that stays tender. I'll share the exact cooking time and temperature I use, and a couple of quick tips so your chicken comes out cooked through, juicy, and not dry. This is a simple seasoning mix I like to use for this recipe. Mix together salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, dried oregano, and light brown sugar. You can always change the seasoning to your taste. Next, take a sheet of parchment paper and lay it on the cutting board. Put one of the chicken breasts on it, then fold the paper over so the chicken is fully covered. Use a rolling pin to give it a few gentle hits on the thickest part, just until the chicken looks a bit more even in thickness. It should still look like a chicken breast, not flattened out. Then, do the same thing with the second chicken breast. Next, sprinkle the seasoning mixture over both chicken breasts, and try to use about half first, so you still have plenty left when you turn them over. Use your hands to rub the seasoning in until the chicken looks evenly coated, and the surface looks the same all over. Turn both chicken breasts over, then use the rest of the seasoning mixture on the other side and rub it in until that side looks evenly coated too. I also like to drizzle little oil over the chicken breasts, then rub it in with your hands so both sides are lightly coated. It helps the seasoning mixture stick, and it keeps the outside from drying out too quickly in the air fryer. I usually preheat the air fryer for a few minutes, so it's already hot when the chicken goes in. Then, place the chicken breast in the air fryer basket. These are medium-sized chicken breasts, so cook them at 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. Flip them over halfway through so they cook evenly. When they're done, the thickest part should be piping hot and not pink in the middle. If you have a meat thermometer, you're aiming for 75 degrees Celsius, which is 167 degrees Fahrenheit. For the large chicken breast, you will probably need to add another 3 to 4 minutes of cooking time. This chicken breast comes out nice and juicy inside. It's cooked through but still moist, and it slices easily without feeling dry or tough. If you like this air fryer chicken breast recipe, you'll probably like my extra crispy air fryer chicken wings recipe here too. They're easy to make and the coating gets really crunchy. Check it out now!